Hello, welcome to another Tabitha's Glass and Murrine YouTube video.
Excuse me, this is my job.
No, it's not.
I think it is. Yeah. Hello and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at these. These are hedgehogs inspired by my children who wanted to make these little creatures, and today I'm going to show you how to make these. So my kids saw this hedgehog and said, "Oh, Mummy, can we make this out of glass?" And I was like, "Yeah, why not?" And I know someone else out there has done very lovely Murrine hedgehogs. So please don't mind us. We're just doing them because my kids really wanted to do it. So I've cut this out of dusty lilac, but you know, you could do it out of lots of different colours. And I think we did one of them out of mink and one of them out of almond. So, you know, whatever colour you can choose. Then I've using a frit bull for the nose. Oh, my glue's a bit on the frits. I'm just going to put a blob on the side of the table so it's easier. Trying to find my other eye, frit ball. Some tweezers. Got my eye. And then I've got these, which is actually in our Curious range of leaves. So we've used some of them. And I'm going to hang them over the edge and not really mind if they autumn oak leaf these are. I'm just being reminded kindly. But we have some of these in Curious at the moment. So they're a bit cheaper. My kids did them with a normal size Murrine, but I quite like it with the XL. And these kind of slot together nicely. We're going to do this in the microwave kiln. Sometimes a great microwave kiln, you can get something done really nice and quickly. There is our little hedgehog ready to go in the microwave kiln, and we can see how it looks when it comes out. We have our bodies, and we have a fantastic frit ball for the nose and the eyes, and now we have a collection of leaves, and the girls are going to go ahead and decorate their hedgehogs with some leaves. Take it away, Lina and Riva. The great thing about this is that different people design and put their leaves in different ways. One like this and one like this. So here they are, ready to go in the kiln. Let's have a quick look. There's Riva's awesome stripy hedgehog, and there is Lina's in a beautiful arc. So we're going to get these in the kiln and we can see how they look when they come out. Now if you wanted these hanging, you should put hooks in, but these guys don't want them as hanging hedgehogs.
I mess with you.
So here they are out of the kiln. This is really interesting, showing how a microwave kiln works. We've got full fuse at the end here, and it's really not even fused here. I'm going to put this in a normal kiln and give it another fuse again. But I think Riva's and Lina's that went in a proper kiln the day before came out really nicely and fun. I love the different ways they put their leaves on. I think this is a great project for kids to do this fall. And look, we have the magnets on the back so they can make fantastic little fridge magnets. So Riva, what do you feel? Are you happy with your project? Was it a good one to do?
It's good to put on my forehead.
It's good to put on your forehead, or maybe in your locker as you were suggesting, rather than your forehead.
Yes.
So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, you can get all our products at tabithasglassemporium.com. Sign up to our newsletter there, hear about things like free shipping when that happens. And until next time, happy fusing.